How to reset App Store balance to $0, 0 cents on iPhone. Are you trying to reset your App Store balance to zero on your iPhone if you have a small remaining balance in your Apple ID account and need to clear it? This video will show you exactly how to do it. We don't have any way to reset our balance right from the App Store, so we will have to use another trick which involves contacting the Apple customer support. So we will open Safari or whichever web browser you use on your iPhone. And now our job is to navigate over to a website called getsupport.apple. Once we get to this page, I'm going to tap on this. Choose a product option. The next thing which we'll tap on is this Billing and Subscriptions button, which is just under the Apps and Services section. Now click on Subscriptions and Purchases. You will then get a list of different topics and different problems which users are having with the billing and other services. But we'll want to reset our App Store balance to zero. So for that, we'll want to select an option that is called Unable to Purchase. But you can select another reason from the list if you're having issues with that specific thing. Now press Continue to proceed to the last page under the Contact section chat option, so I will click on that. Maybe you'll have an option to call the support, so you can do that and explain what the issue is. But I will select the chat option, and now we have to fill in all the necessary information on this list. I will enter my first and last name, as well as the email address associated with my account. Fill all the necessary information on this list and then explain what the issue is. You can simply write, I need to reset my App Store balance to zero, and then continue. You'll then wait a couple of minutes and do not close the tab or the browser because you'll want to wait for the customer support to respond to your request. And after that, they should reset your App Store balance.